Quick update with where we are. Oh shucks, I'm sick of those things. All the flooring is up, and I've started the process of cleaning and organizing, because now that we have all the flooring up, we're gonna finish up getting the ceiling down, because the garbage gets picked up tomorrow, and we want to have all of the demo done, like every ounce of the demo done. And the ceiling is literally the last bit of demo. So this is the rest of the ceiling.
What? She feeling shit on you.
This bit. We about to knock this out, and I'll come back and update once I'm done cleaning and organizing this side, so this won't be a problem. When it's time to clean up, all this will be covered and organized. It gets super dusty. I have to wear a mask. I can't talk, so yeah, but I'll show you guys afterwards. Let me show y'all the cleanup. I just have to fix the plastic on the table, but everything's been swept and organized, so if the kids have to come through this way, it's not chaos. Nothing is sticking out, nothing is in the way, all that jazz. Hours later, I got the kids down for bed. We're still in here, and this is the current mess. I already took a ton of stuff to the trash because it's a lot of heavy lifting, and I didn't want to have that huge pile waiting for us when we finished. Hobson is working on getting the vent cover off. I'm about to start cleaning up some of this stuff, because the more it piles up, the worse it gets. Trying to move around, you stepping on nails, all that type of stuff. So I'm gonna pick up some of this stuff now. I'm gonna set y'all down right here. That's not good. knocked out the entire ceiling. Did I think it was gonna happen? No. Did I expect to quit before we finish? Absolutely. Will I ever do this again? Not on your life. Never. The stuff was so heavy, I couldn't give an update the night that we finished because we had to get all the stuff to the dumpster. So we got all the stuff to the dumpster. I don't know what time it was when we finished. I just knew that I could not do it anymore. I was done. I didn't pick up a camera. I didn't do nothing. Besides, he went to get us food while I was cleaning up more. He went to get food. He came back with the food. I hopped in the shower. After I got out, I ate, and I went to sleep. I didn't touch the camera. I didn't even pick up the camera the next day because I had had enough. So the ceiling is out, and this is the last part you saw us work on. And as you can see, we've started the strapping on this side as well because we have to get the straps up to get the drywall up. But the thing about this, the biggest part of this was literally getting the ceiling down. So as you can see, the majority, I'm gonna flip the camera. The majority of the ceiling is out. There's literally only one spot of drywall up. Yeah, I see, girl. Don't climb up. There's only one spot of drywall that is still, like, that's actually up because we wanted to finish the ceiling before the dumpster left. And then we wanted to also finish the strapping. He just went to the store to grab more for this area here because this is our last set. And then along the back wall, we probably have maybe 6 or 7 more to hang. And I'll probably grab some footage of that because I don't know if I have any footage for that. And then who knows where we'll land. This may be the end of this video. It may be incorporated with another one. Who knows? For what? Cracker? I don't think we have cracker. It's not plugged up or anything. I just don't want her thinking she could touch it. See, y'all, I'm not a bad mom. It's not plugged up. But she just be touching stuff because she curious, but I don't want her messing with power tools. So that's the update for that. Y'all, it is so spacious in here. The wall is gone. The walls are gone. And that's where the wall was. Like, this is cuckoo bananas. Cuckoo bananas. Can you believe? Can you believe? The flooring is up. Like, what? So today we're finishing up the strapping and probably gonna start hanging some drywall. Definitely gonna start hanging some drywall to get some more of it up. And tomorrow we're gonna take a break because we've been working really hard and I just want us to both make sure we're good and we're taking care of our bodies and listening to our bodies and breaking when we need to. That's my update for that. But I wanted to actually show you guys the flooring that we bought. So we bought our flooring forever ago. And the reason we bought it forever ago is because we wanted to get it ordered, because it was on sale, and also because we had planned to do the flooring forever ago. But then, as you've seen, oh, look at the lighting, look at the lighting. It's such bad lighting in this room, y'all. We working on it. So, the flooring has been stored in Sage's room. You are not gonna lay down. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not gonna lay down. So this is the flooring. Y'all, this is heavy. I'm trying to show y'all. It's a little dusty too. This is the flooring. It's a deep, really beautiful brown. It has some texture to it. It's engineered wood. So here we are working on getting up the rest of that strapping. Once he got back with what we needed, we jumped on that quickly and wanted to make sure we finished this up this day so we could also put up some drywall because we literally don't have any ceilings. The strapping is done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. It's done. Y'all, this was such hard work. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it to be such hard work, but putting these straps up was like work. So I think these furring. I keep calling it strapping because furring straps is too much to say. So it's, of course, under that piece of drywall. I'm sure y'all remember that. And then it goes across here. So here, the joists run up and down. And here, they run more left and right. So that's why our strapping, furring, goes opposite. Because that is how the house is. And then over here it goes opposite as well. Okay, the furring is done, thankfully. And now we're about to clean and then move on to the drywall. And I knocked myself in the face with one of these. Can you focus? Everything that's red is swollen. Y'all probably can't tell because I mean, really, my lips are already big, but all of this is swollen. I guess I got hit in the right spot because you can barely tell. But, of course, I noticed because the inside is swollen and then it's swollen a little bit outside. We have a lot. 7 screws in one. Do you see how much we have? Do you see how much we have? Do you see? That's a lot of screws. That's a lot of wood. But I think this was the best decision. So we're gonna clean. And I'll come back to y'all when, oh goodness. We're gonna clean and then I'll hop back on when we're putting up drywall because we've been working and it's messy from the furring. Here we go. This is progress. This is progress. I'm happy. Hey, quick check-in. We're gonna finish up this drywall. We're probably gonna have one more. And after we hang that one, I'll check back in. But yeah, this is what we're about to do. Put a bunch more screws in and move on. Final update. We got 3 full panels up. That one has been up there, but we just added 2. We can't keep working because the drills are keeping up, well, waking up the girl. So we're just gonna pack it up for tonight. It is 1:50 in the morning. We didn't even finish screwing the full. Oh, we didn't even finish screwing this one in because it's just keeping the girl up. So hoping gonna throw a few more in the middle so it's super secure. We took the drywall lift down, and tomorrow is an off day. We're not working tomorrow. Ooh, my ankles hurt so bad. But yeah, y'all, 3 panels. We still got all of this to go. But we actually did these 2 much faster than we did the first one, and we figured it out. Faster. So I think the next one is probably, each one I think is gonna go smoother than the last. At least that's the hope. That's the goal. So yeah, that last one went up pretty quickly. You see that one right there that's sticking out? Yeah. Yeah, that thing, I can't. One drill is really good. The other one is okay. So, yeah. But yeah, that's the final update. I cleaned up a little bit. Swept up. Because when we drill, I don't think... When we drill, all of the insulation that's left up there just comes tumbling down. So we have to sweep it out while we're working, just to, you know, keep it clean and keep it out the way. So yeah, time for showers and bed.